If your lips constantly feel dry, no matter how much product you apply, your lips may not need more moisture. They may need less interruption, because sometimes the routine itself keeps your lips stuck in a cycle of constant management. I'm Jenice Story, nurse and founder of AJ's EO Infusions, where we explore calmer, more intentional approaches to lip care and nervous system wellness. This episode is educational and not medical advice, but I hope it helps you understand your lips differently. That's why, more effort often creates more dependency instead of deeper restoration. There's a quiet exhaustion that comes from constantly managing your lips, checking them, reapplying, licking them, thinking about them all day long. And eventually, lip care stops feeling supportive. It starts feeling reactive. A lot of women assume this means they simply need stronger products or more moisture. But often, the real issue is overstimulation. Too much friction, too much interruption, too many products layered throughout the day. Your lips never fully settle long enough to restore themselves naturally. And the emotional side of this matters too, because, repetitive lip care habits often become tied to stress patterns. You reach for product automatically. You check your lips constantly. You feel uncomfortable the second dryness appears. Not because you're doing something wrong, it's just that your body has learned urgency around discomfort, and honestly, modern beauty routines often reinforce that urgency. We've normalized carrying multiple lip products everywhere. We've normalized constant reapplication. And we've normalized treating every tiny sensation immediately. But, calmer systems create different outcomes. That's true in wellness, and honestly, it's true in lip care too. Intentional expansion never comes from adding more chaos. It comes from creating systems that actually support regulation. That's the shift many women begin noticing when they simplify their routine. There's just less friction, less urgency, and way less management. Instead, you get more consistency, more calm, and more restoration, less friction, less urgency, more calm. One of the biggest recognition moments I hear from women is this: you don't actually trust your lips to stay comfortable without reapplying something. And honestly, that realization changes everything. Because, the issue usually is not neglect. It's actually overmanagement. When lips are constantly interrupted, they can become dependent on short-term relief instead of being supported through real restoration. That's why, honestly, a gentler approach matters. A calmer ritual allows your lips to experience stability again. Not perfection, not intensity, just, deeper support. The lip ritual was designed around that philosophy. Simple, calm, intentional. It's a ritual that supports your lips without overwhelming them, because really expansion is rarely created through more effort. It's created through better systems. And your lips respond beautifully to that shift. If you want to explore a gentler approach to lip support, you can explore the lip ritual below.